Hello everybody, welcome back to Jim's Shed. Happy New Year. It's about, I don't know, about 2-3 weeks since my last video. I think, was it before Christmas? I'm not sure. I think it was. Anyway, Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you're all good. I hope you're all still wearing these. And I hope you're still sanitizing and keeping a safe distance apart. Anyway, on with today's video. Very quick video today, right? As you can see, I have a Honda Accord. It's a 2010 model, right? Headlights, polystyrene, plastic, or perspex, not glass anymore, as you know, right? But there's a problem with these headlights. They get a bit kind of, you know, groggy and fadey, and they can fail your MOT in the UK or NCT here in Ireland, right? So I'm going to show you on the camera, right? I'll just put it in here closer so you can have a look and see exactly what is going on with the headlight, right? Now, you see the way it's, you know, it's a bit, it's not great, you know. It could fail, mightn't, but it could, right? Now, what am I going to do with these today? Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do with them. I'm going to clean them. There's loads of lads out there. There's spin doctors, there's dietitians, there's nutritionists, there are all these people, you know, magic people that'll tell you, oh, you do this, you put toothpaste on it. Lads, that's all myth, that's bullshit, you know. Don't mind any of that, no. Listen, what I'm going to use here is testosterone viromorphic compound, right? It's a light rubbing compound that's used. I use it for anything that's gone a bit faded or whatever, but it's ideal for sorting this out. How will I apply it? Well, you'll see in the video, right? It needs to be applied wet. It's not a dry rubbing compound, it's a wet rubbing compound, right? And it's going to do a lovely job on these headlights. So I also have my trusted buffer, right? I'm going to use this also on low speed at first, and then we'll see how we go. They're not bad, in fairness, they're not bad, but you know, this car is belonging to an acquaintance, right? He's in the background, he just wishes to remain anonymous, right? But I actually flagged it up with him. I said, listen, you know, his car is due for test in a couple of days. And I told him, I said, I think you might have a problem with those headlights, you know. They're a bit dull, they're faded, they're, you know. And it's because of the plastic, the sunlight, you know, that reacts to the plastic or the polystyrene finish that's on these things, right? So what I'll do is I'll pull the bonnet and we'll get closer and we'll prep things and get things ready for action. So, okay. So, pull the bonnet. Now, okay, where are we? Yeah, it's bad, all right, you know, it's not great. What I'll do is I'll adjust the camera here so you can see exactly what I'm at, right? And I'll talk you through it. Getting back to remedies, listen, forget the toothpaste, doesn't work. That's a myth, no, doesn't work. Rubbing compound is the best. There's lads out there that'll charge you 50, 60, 100 euro, 50 euros a lamp to do these. You can do this yourself, right? So what I'll do is I'm going to set up the camera. I hope you can see that. Yeah. You only want to see what I'm doing. You don't want to see me, right? You just want to see what I'm doing, right? So, tools required. Buffer. Right, I'm going to plug this in here to the nearest power point. Now, this buffer is a variable speed, you know, so we'll start her off on 2. Slow her down a bit. Leave her on 1 for the moment. Right? We'll leave it on 1 for the moment. Also required is water, right? It has to be applied wet. This rubbing compound, viromorphic terrestrial rubbing compound. I'll just put it up to the camera there so you can see exactly what it is. Look, yeah, good stuff. Give it a good shake. Give it a good shake. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a bit of moisture onto, just to wet. Nice and moist. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Will you see the difference of these headlights when they're done? You won't believe it. You won't believe it. Honest. Now. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Now. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, that's lovely. Look at that. Fabulous. I'll put it around the bumper because the wheel will come in contact with the bumper and the wing. So now we'll also get some tissue because this is going to be messy. Okay. So without further eloquence, we'll horse into it. So, here we go. Hence I have the overalls, right? They're a bit tight, but listen, don't worry, you know, don't worry about that. We'll be grand. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Loving that. Gentle pressure on the top end of it, you know, just to. Oh yeah. Now, how did that turn out? As you can see, we have shite everywhere, but the power washer will sort that out when I go out in the yard later on and give it a wash down. But oh yeah, this is looking good, all right. Oh, this is looking good. Have water. If you don't use water, it'll overheat, and you'll end up burning it. Not only that, you'll end up damaging the paintwork on the car, and we don't want that. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay. Up the ante a bit. Now, how did that turn out? Okay, now I'm after spilling the water. Don't mind that. Accidents do happen. Okay, let me have a look here. I'll just try and dry that up there now. Not just spilling me some water. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we're still a little bit there at the top corner. You can see it there. Just a little bit along the top. But I have to say, lads, you know, yeah, along the top there, and that side is done. So we'll proceed. Okay. Just along there. Just along there. Okay. So we commence fire. Back to one again. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, how did that turn out, lads? How did that turn out? Huh? Oh, look at that. Yeah. Look at that. It's like a new lamp, you know? Look at that. Just a bit on the corner there in the apex of the lamp. Just a small bit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Look at that. Now guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to wet that. Now, I'll just leave that aside and look at that now. Right. Another bit of paper. Now folks, feast your eyes on that. I'll just get the camera up close. It's like a new light. You know, how long did that take me? 10 minutes. Now we're going to do the same on this side. So bear with me. And we repeat the procedure on the near side. So, okay, away we go again. Lads, don't wear good clothes doing this, you know, you'll destroy yourself, so, yeah. Okay, look at that. Any rubbing compound, I suppose, will do. But it has to be soft rubbing compound. There's no grit in this, you know. It's a viromorphic compound. Professional valeters use it for for finishing cars. Sometimes if you need a car, if you need to compound a car, but you don't have time to polish it afterwards, well then, that's what you use. It'll bring up the paint, but it'll also bring up the shine at the same time. You don't have to polish it after, so there's no grit in it. Don't use grit, you know. People seem to think, a bit of toothpaste, you know, great job. No, that's rubbish. Jim Shed, steer you in the right direction. Now you'll have to excuse the last time I had this overalls on was 25, 26 years ago. You know, still fits me, but with a bit of a job, you know. But anyway, now we'll proceed with this side. So we'll put another bit of moisture on the. I'll also have to unplug and select. Yeah, easier said than done, folks. Select the power supply that's closer to this side. Yeah, we have a power point here, which I will commandeer. So, now, okay, back to speed 1. A bit of moisture on the we're looking good, we're looking good. Down here so you can see where I'm at. Now folks, how did that turn out? Well, yeah, we'll have a look and see. Oh yeah, oh, look at this, fantastic, fantastic. Another bit there on the apex of the lamp. Yeah, a little bit on the top. Should be okay. Yeah, should be okay. So we'll give it a bit of a look at that, look. Ah. Yeah. Little bit of elbow grease, lads. But if you're the right applicant, you know, this toothpaste mitt, it's only a mitt, you know, it's only a mitt. You could be there for hours with 5 or 6 tubes. I've seen lads on YouTube doing it. 5 or 6 tubes of toothpaste and they're poking at it there for 5 or 6 hours, you know. But you can see, lads, in real time how long it takes. Anyway, okay, now the last little Now for the final wipe down. Ah yeah, this is, yeah, look at that. Yeah, power washer outside now will do a job on that. But yeah, delighted with that. Delighted with that, folks. Delighted with that. I'll just hang up my little cloth there, and I'll use another bit of paper here. Now, what can I say? You know, look at that, like new. Huh? Huh? Look at that. Absolutely and utterly fantastic. I'm just going to give another little rub just there at the corner, and that should be it. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. Huh? When you probably noticed when I was doing that, I didn't linger in the one area, because you can tend to overheat the whole thing then and destroy it, you know. Was that, if I might say so, is a major success. So there you go, guys. That was a quick video. What I'll do is we'll pause the video. I'll give the car a quick wash down outside, and I'll show you the finished product when all is said and done. But if not, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Without you guys, these videos, you know, there's no point in doing them, you know. We're heading for 400 subscribers, you know. Look, listen, you know, this is not an enterprise. I'm just doing this for the love of cars, you know. It's the only reason I do it. Jim Shed, you know. It's a bit of crack, you know. It helps you along in any old things you have. So don't forget to comment. And once again, guys, Tyrosol Veromorphic rubbing compound. That's the stuff to use on headlights. Don't use harsh compound with grit in it, because you'll destroy the lamp. Remember, the polystyrene, they're only perspex finish on them. They're only plastic, you know. That doesn't happen glass headlights. A power washer would clean a glass surface. But the plastic, what happens is it gets into the pores of the plastic, or the polystyrene, and that's why you have to use the compound to basically what I've done is I've took a layer, the thinnest layer of surface off of that. Brand new, guys. Lads, once again, thanks for watching. Until the next video, well, don't forget, keep wearing your masks, you know, very important, right? And you're sanitizing and keep your distance. This thing is, yeah, we nearly have a grip of this thing, you know, but we just have to go that little further, little extra mile just to, you know, get it away, you know, send it back to where it came from, wherever that was, you know. So, once again, lads, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Momentarily, I will pause this and I'll do a quick overshot of the finished product when I've finished. Until the next time, ciao.